It's so good to see you.
You too, dear.
I've missed this.
Me too.
I am hungry.
I'm hungry.
Ooh. I am tired.
I'm tired.
I am tired.
I'm tired. I am from London.
I'm from Nigeria. I am not sure.
I'm not sure.
I am ready.
I'm ready.
I am learning English.
I'm learning English.
I am so excited.
I'm so excited.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy English Daily. Today we're practicing simple questions and answers using I am and I'm. Listen to each question, then hear the answer.
What's your name?
I'm Tessie.
Where are you from?
I'm from Nigeria.
How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you.
Are you a student?
Yes, I'm a student. I'm studying English.
Are you tired?
A little. I'm a bit tired today.
What are you doing right now?
I'm learning new English words.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm actually really hungry.
Are you excited about the weekend?
I'm so excited! I'm going to visit my family.
Are you nervous about speaking English?
I was nervous before, but now I'm feeling more confident.
Are you ready to practice more?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's go. Great job. Notice how natural I'm sounds in real answers. Try answering these same questions about yourself. See you in the next lesson on Easy English Daily.